Hey guys, so for this cóctel de champignon, you will need mushroom, onions, tomatoes, key lime, ketchup, cilantro, sea salt, spring water, and avocado. Let's get started. So first I'm peeling the mushrooms and cutting them up into smaller pieces. Once you finish cutting up the mushrooms, you will have to boil them. Meanwhile, you can finish cutting up the rest of the ingredients. Cut up as much onion as you would like. I did about 1/3 of an onion. I then added the juice of 3 key limes, but towards the end you'll see that I ended up adding more. So always remember, you can add more, but you can never take away. Once you're done adding the key lime juice, go ahead and cover it with sea salt. Just remember, always start with a little bit and then you can add more at the very end. And then place the bowl in the fridge. That way it could all marinate together. Now cut up some tomato into pieces that are big enough for you. I like to cut it real small. Now cut a small bunch of cilantro. I like to cut mine in very small pieces. Now add your cilantro and tomato into the same bowl where you have your onion marinating in lime juice with sea salt. Go ahead and mix it well. Add the juice of half an orange. Mix well, then cover with ketchup. At this point, go ahead and take out the mushrooms from the boiling pot. Then go ahead and mix all of your ingredients with the ketchup. Then add a whole avocado. And stir very well. Add the boiled mushrooms. And stir again. At this point, I added the juice of 2 more key limes. And ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. Please comment what you want to see next and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye!